So today I'm going to show you how I built this handy little jigsaw table. This jigsaw table is different because you can quickly install or remove your jigsaw in seconds. There, the jigsaw is installed and it's solid, it won't move, and to release it, tap it and it comes out. So stick around, I'll show you how I built it. So to start, I will build some guides, and they are to hold the jigsaw in place. So the jigsaw fits nice and secure in the blocks that I made, and now I'm going to mark where the blade goes. And what I've done is I found an old blade and I just cut it down so it's flush with the bottom of the jigsaw, and so now I can mark exactly where the blade will go. I put a larger blade in, and now I will test and see how it fits. And that worked fine. Now how I'm going to secure the jigsaw is with some magnets. And I found these at Lee Valley, and they're cup magnets, and they have a hole in them for the screws. Now everything fits nice, and I'm going to put a block on the front, and this block will help guide the saw in when you have to install or remove it. So I've just clamped the jigsaw table onto my workbench, and it holds very secure. And there, that comes off, and you have to hold here and bang it and it will come off. So now I'll put it back, and now I can test it out. So the next thing I can do is make a box to put the platform on. But I like this idea. You can clamp it onto any workbench or table and move it around easy enough. Now I'm going to make the box, and since it's just the basic box, I'm not going to bore you with all the cuts. So I drilled out the bottom. I just marked the place where I'm going to put the screws. I have this piece ready, and I'm going to clamp it down and then screw it in. So I have the bottom screwed in, and now it's time to do the top. Now that turned out pretty good. Now I will put the jigsaw in and we'll see how easy it goes. There, that goes pretty quick. So now what all I do is give it some coats of polyurethane and then I'll give it some test cuts. So to take it out, give it a good bang and it'll come out.